If you don't have the time or desire to make classic tart shells, I have a great alternative. Hi, I'm Robert, and today we're making some super quick tart shells, and for this we're going to use Phyllo dough sheets. From one set of these sheets we'll get about 12 tart shells. Before we get started, the first step is to clean the sheets because they have a lot of flour on them, and if you leave it, it feels strange on the palette. So we use a brush to gently clean them, and as a tip, usually the sheets have a lot of flour on one side and very little on the other side. If the sheets tear a bit, don't worry too much because we're going to use 5 layers, meaning 5 sheets to form the tart shells. Keep the remaining sheets wrapped in the fridge so they don't dry out while you're working on these. I'm going to work on a tray so I don't mess up the table direct. We simply brush the sheets with a bit of melted butter, not too much, just enough for them to stick well together. We brush the first sheet, place the second one on top, brush that one as well, and continue this way until the last sheet. As I mentioned, we use 5 sheets in total. We don't brush butter on the last sheet, and now we need to cut out some circles. I'm using a 9 cm cutter and will make the tarts in smaller, taller molds, but you can also use this size for standard muffin molds. The tarts will be shorter and wider. We got 12 circles, and now we simply press them into the muffin mold carefully so the walls of the tart are as symmetrical as possible. Once they are done, bake them for about 10 to 15 minutes at 165 degrees with fan, but keep an eye on them to make sure they turn golden brown. After baking and cooling, here are the 12 mini tart shells, which are very crisp and nice, ready to be filled with any cream you like. I chose a pistachio cream because why not? You'll find a link in the top right corner of the screen to this recipe. Choose whatever cream you like, but I recommend one that's stable at room temperature, so avoid something like whipped cream. Or why not use a savory filling to make this into an appetizer. Here's how the tarts look once finished. A super simple and quick recipe, and I hope you find it useful. See you in the next video as usual. Bye! For more recipes like this, don't forget to give a like, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram for lots of useful tips.